Hello, Mai. Good evening. Hello, Mai. Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello, Sarah and Mai. Can you hear me well?
Yeah.
All right. How about you, Mai? Sarah, can you hear me well?
Yeah.
Very good. So, how's everything going with you guys?
Giờ ta sẽ chăm con này.
How's ev-
Okay.
It's great. Well, that's nice. How about you, Mai? How's
Em
everything
biết là
going?
định được. Xin lỗi, xin lỗi, xin lỗi.
Hello, Mai. Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, Mai, I cannot hear you well. How about you, Sarah? Can you hear Mai very well?
No.
Yeah, compared to your audio.
Cái này con đẹp hơn
Sarah's audio is
con gì ở đây?
fine. I can hear it loud and clear. While okay, I want you to check your internet connection or probably your audio settings here in Zoom.
Nhưng mà bạn không có ngồi xuống
Okay,
được.
so while waiting
Ôi,
for
con cho.
for you, Mai, to fix it, okay, for tonight, we don't have any material, but we are just going to have a free talk. Do you know what a free talk is, Sarah?
No.
No? Okay, so I'm going to ask you different questions. Then you can answer my questions and you can share anything under the sun, or you can also talk about anything, any topic. All right. So, Sarah, while waiting for okay, let me know once you're okay now with your audio, all right? So that I can ask questions from you. All right. So, Sarah, like, if you could travel one country in the world, what would it be, Sarah? Yes, Sarah?
It's Hanoi.
Hanoi. Oh, by the way, Hanoi is not a country, that is a city. So, which country does Hanoi belong to? That is in the country of Vietnam. Like that. Okay, so
Dạ.
what other countries do you know,
Dạ.
Sarah?
Sao mẹ?
Yeah?
Cô gọi con mấy tiếng con chỉ chơi không đi ra học hành
What other countries? Oh, um,
Sư.
um,
Dạ
what
giờ
is the
thôi chứ.
Vietnamese name for a country? So
Ngồi
let
đó
me
học này nè.
search. Okay, actually, there are many countries in the world. Let me give you some examples. We have United States of America, United Kingdom, Philippines, Korea, Japan,
Ngồi
Thailand,
đâu?
Vietnam, Singapore, Africa, Mexico. So they are countries. They are examples of countries. Okay, so if you could visit one country in the world, Sarah, what would it be?
It's Malaysia.
Malaysia. Wow. Why do you want to go in Malaysia? What's in there?
It's a castle, a big castle.
Yes, that's right. Like Malaysia has different castles. Same thing with Korea. Korea is also known for its different temples and castle. All right, what about you, Mai? Okay, can you hear me well, Mai?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so my question for you is, mm, if you could do one magic, what would it be? Or if you could have one superpower, what would it be? Yes, Mai? If you could do If you could have one superpower, what would it be? Okay, so what are examples of superpower? Power? That means you can fly, you can travel back in time, you will know the future, you will know the past, the present, like that. So, what
Future.
superpower do you want? What superpower do you want to do you want to have, Mai?
I like future.
Say that again.
I like future.
Oh, you like to know the future. That's very interesting. Why is that?
Because can I can think example.
Uh-huh. And also if you will know the future, or if you can have the power to know the future, then that means you cannot make any mistakes in the present time. And you know who are you gonna be, where are you gonna be in the future. And you will also know the actions that you have to do right now in order for you to prepare for the future. It's just that it's not gonna be challenging or interesting, or there's no, what do we call that, excitement anymore, because you already know the future. Okay, so Sarah, what do you usually do after school? Hello, Sarah, are you still there?
Yes, because I'm drinking water.
It's all right, sorry to interrupt
Hmm.
you. It's okay, you can drink water if you want.
Okay.
Yes. How about you, Mai? What do you usually do after school?
Lấy giùm ơi, lấy giùm cục trắng đâu. Lấy giùm
Yes,
cái
Mai?
khuôn nhựa giùm tôi. Khuôn nhựa có nước.
Yes, Mai, what do you usually do after school? Oh, or what about you, Sarah? What do you usually do after school?
Usually play with my friend or go to the supermarket with my mom.
Oh, that's great. So what do you like? How, what is one thing in the supermarket that you can't resist not buying it every time you go to the supermarket with your mom?
Không ai lấy nước giùm tôi nè. Bố.
Say that again?
What do you ask me?
Okay,
I
so you
don't.
said that usually after school, you go to the supermarket with your mom. So we know that in the supermarket, there are many things that we can buy, such as food, fruits, things, school supplies, shoes, or anything. It's there in the supermarket. My question is, what is one thing that you cannot say no to it whenever you go to the supermarket with your mom?
It's close.
Clothes. Wow. Like what clothes specifically, Sarah?
It's pajamas or some dress.
Yes. Okay. Because having pajamas makes us comfortable when we sleep at night.
When
And it doesn't make us feel cold too. And with dress, we can actually wear it when we go to sleep, when we go to church or pagoda, or whenever we go to the park. So it's up to you. Or if there's also an event, then we can also wear a dress. All right. So what about you, Mai? Okay, so
yes,
what is your favorite food?
my favorite food is pasta.
Pasta. Okay, so there are many kinds, there are many recipes when it comes to pasta. Like what recipe of pasta do you like most? Do you like spaghetti? Do you like
I
what's that?
like
Macaroni salad? Do you like macaroni soup?
I like spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Oh, I think you've mentioned that one before. Okay, what about fruit, Mai? What's your favorite fruit?
like I like I like I like beach.
Beach. Oh, that's great. Okay, how about you, Sarah? Do you help with chores at home, Sarah? I mean, do you help your mom do you
What is
help your mom to do some household chores at home?
yes?
Okay, so what are the household chores that you like that you help your mom with?
Mm, is is I clean the floor.
You clean the floor. That's great. What about you, Mai? Do you help your mom in doing the household chore?
Yes,
Great.
I I do the laundry
Laundry. Oh, that's very good of you, Mai. How often do you do the laundry?
at in afternoon.
And do you do it every Saturday, once a week, every day, or
Every
every twice a week?
every day. Every twice a week.
Every day. Oh, so Sarah also do it. Okay, so yes, that's very convenient. Well, wow, that's great because washing clothes or dirty clothes are part of your routine. Yes,
Yes.
that is actually a good habit to uh that is actually a good habit, Mai. So that way, whenever it's weekend, you don't have to worry about what clothes to wear for another week. And it doesn't make you feel lazy because whenever that we see many dirty clothes on the floor or in the laundry basket, then it actually makes us feel lazy, especially if it has a lot of dirty clothes. Yes, well, that's good on you because you like washing every day. And for Sarah too, that is very convenient. Yeah, so great. Okay, so now, like, how do you prepare for school each day, Sarah?
I don't know.
How about you, Mai? How do you prepare to go to school every day? What do you do when you go to school or before you
I
go
will
to school?
I prepare our food in school
Ah,
and
mm-hmm.
and I learn subject every day.
Yes, that's right. But how do you prepare? Like, what do you do before you go to school?
I like take a shower.
Very good. So, yes, to answer the question, how do you prepare to go to school? This is a question that will be asked to you to ask you what are the things that you do before going to school. So you can say, "Oh, I take a shower, I pack my bag, I pack my lunchbox, I make sure that my homework's ready, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I take the bus and go to school like that." So Mai, when you answered me, I go to school on foot. So the question for that one is, how do you go to school? All right?
No, I prepare food
Ah,
in
you prepare food. Very good.
yes
Okay,
in
so that's
lunchroom.
mhm. Yeah, so that's great because you know how to answer my
Oh,
question properly,
lunchroom
Mai.
material.
Okay, how about you, Sarah? Have you ever had a pet? Yes, Sarah, have you ever had a pet?
Yes,
All right. So what pet was it?
pen.
What?
It's the pen.
Oh, like pet. Do you have a pet? P-E-T?
Yes.
Okay, so what pet do you have, Sarah?
Have a dog.
Oh, yes, I remember. And it is black, right? A very cute furry dog.
Do
Yeah,
you
so
know
tell
what
me.
is its name?
Mm-hmm. I
Do you
forgot
know?
its name. What's its name?
It's Milk.
Me, the one that we drink, right?
Yes.
Why
It
did
has
you choose?
fur.
Uh-huh.
It has a fur, black and white.
Yes, I've seen it before. So why did you choose Milk as the name of your pet?
Because my dad told me, her fur has a color like a um a cow, and my father told me to her name. His name is Milk.
Yes, because okay, so did you listen to Sarah? She said that her pet dog's name is Milk because her father told her so because l- her dog's color
No.
is the same as the cow, which is black and white. Okay, so my question for you is what why do you think that Sarah that Sarah's father chose Milk for the dog's name, aside from the fact that the cow's color is black and white, and the same thing with the dog. So what is there with the
Tủ lạnh.
cow? Or how is the word milk related to the cow, Mai?
I think Milk is a name for a dog.
Mm-hmm.
I think very exciting. But
Yes.
I thought làm nước dog is name his name sao bà lấy chồng
Yeah.
không biết
But
mới
why do you
hoàn
think
toàn
how is it related? Like cow and milk. How are they related to each other?
vậy lát bỏ đường vô đi bỏ đường với nước vô đi her father think is a cold make milk because her
Mhm.
dad is take her dad is milk.
Okay. So Sarah, how about you? What is the relation between the cow and the milk?
Because his fur is black and white, and my father told me it's like a cow, and his name is Milk.
Actually, even if you ask your dad about it, the relation about milk and a cow, aside from your dad, the fact that your dad chooses milk for your dog's name, it's because the color of the dog is black and white. Same thing with the cow. Aside from it, it's not just about the color. The cow produces milk. So we drink milk because the cow produces it. So who make the milk? It is the cow. Okay. So we have milk to drink because of the cow. That is why it's like a trivia. You try to ask your dad, Sarah. So, Dad, why did you let me name our pet Milk? Then, of course, he will tell you because the dog's color is the same thing with the cow. But you said, oh, but the milk is not black and white. It's white. But why? You try to ask your dad about it. Then, of course, if your dad doesn't know the answer, you can tell, oh, you know what, Dad, I already know. Because the cow produces milk, like that. All right, Sarah and Mai? All
Okay.
right. So what other, here it is. Listen, what other products are made of milk?
What? Okay.
I mean, what other products are made out of milk? Or what other food can we make out of milk?
It's cheese and butter.
That's right. Very good, Sarah. All right. So anyway, what time do you usually go to bed, Mai? Yes, Mai. What time do you usually go to bed?
Có đường cho Linh nữa nè. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m.
10 o'clock
Nhiều.
at night. How about you, Sarah?
3 đi. Không muốn đây. Yes.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Sometimes 1 o'clock, sometimes 12 o'clock, sometimes 11 o'clock, sometimes 10 o'clock.
Oh, that's very late. But 10 o'clock is kind of okay. But when you say 11, 1 o'clock, or 2 o'clock, oh, that's really late. Yeah. So you try to change your bedtime because you're still young and you have to go to bed before 10 o'clock or 10 o'clock, like that. Okay, because every human being needs at least 8 hours of sleep.
Sao đó?
Yes.
Mà sao nó em nhớ
And
ra vậy?
it's gonna be a
Sao
different.
không có?
Oh, actually, your mom is a doctor, right?
Yes. Bà bỏ đường cho
Yes.
nước.
Okay. So I want you to ask your mom,
Bạn
Mom,
đi dầm dầm
what time should I go to
bạn
bed
đi.
and how many hours of sleep should I get to become healthy? Can you do that?
Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. I can say
Yes, then I will wait for your answer.
làm bay cờ. Mấy giây. Nhiêu muỗng? 2 muỗng. Không, 3 muỗng. Tại cái này nó hơi chua. Thịt bà gung dữ vậy nè. Cái đồ nữa. Học hả con? Dạ con học. Con đi rồi. Dạ thanh long nó rồi. Nó bị tan ra. Dạ. Ủa đâu có.
Do you have answers already, Mai?
My mom say
Mm-hmm.
you should sleep at mẹ con lát hay là chị cô sleep 7 hours.
Yes, that's right. Okay, and what time specifically do we need to go to bed? Did she answer your question?
It's 10 o'clock.
Yeah, so that is the latest time, like the time that we should go to bed late. So, Sarah, if you're listening, okay, so it is important to be healthy and get enough sleep, at least 7 hours a day. But it is recommended to get 8 hours of sleep every night. Yes, because our body needs rest. And also, since you are still young, go to bed early. Do not make it a habit to go to bed late. That is also for your own good. Yes. Okay. And that is not coming from me. That is coming from a doctor who is the mother of mine. Yes. The only thing that I know is we should be healthy and we should not sleep late, especially if we're still young. Yeah, even adults, they need to go to bed early. Yes. So anyway, thank you for asking your mother about it, Sarah. Okay, so no, my sorry. So Sarah, what is your favorite food and why?
Mm, it's watermelon because it's too sweet and cool. Cold.
Yes, and watermelon is also healthy. It's just that we should eat just enough watermelon, not a lot, because fruits are also high in sugar. Yes, so it's not good for our body to consume more sugar. Because if we eat too much sweet, then we end up getting diabetes. Do you know what diabetes is? Hello, Sarah and Mai. Do you know what diabetes is?
Yes, it's 10 o'clock.
Oh, no, diabetes is not 10
9,
o'clock. Who answered it?
9 o'clock. It's me.
Oh, Sarah, no, diabetes is not 10 o'clock. Diabetes is one of the disease or illness that we get if we eat too much sweet foods like that. Okay, Mai, do you know what diabetes is?
Nine
Hello,
o'clock.
Mai. Do you know?
9 o'clock.
Yes, and if you don't know, you can ask your mother about it. She knows it very well because she is a doctor. All right. So, what's that? Like, my, what is your favorite movie?
I like Doraemon. Doraemon.
All right. Okay. So how about you, Sarah? What's your favorite movie?
Của ai vậy? Của ai vậy? Bà ơi, đừng có lấy ơi, của người khác á, đừng có lấy. Mà
How about you, Sarah? What's your favorite movie?
it's cushion.
What's that?
It's cushion.
Okay, tell me about it.
It's it small children. It's 5 o'clock. He 11 o'clock. 5 years old. 5 years
What?
old.
Mm-hmm.
And he is very small and very short and very funny and lazy.
All right. So yes, I will just ask you more questions about it on our next class because it's already time. So thank you so much for joining our session, our free talk session tonight, Sarah and my. Hopefully on Tuesday, we will have a material that we can start. All right. So anyway, have a good night's sleep. Sarah, don't forget to go to bed early or before 10 o'clock. So you still have like 1 more hour to do the things that you need to do before you go to bed. And of course, with you, keep your healthy habit. Goodbye, everyone, and see you next time. Bye.